History and culture, Didgeridoo, voice of the earth. Once upon a time, in a faraway land called Australia, lived the Yolŋu people. They were known for their unique music, one of which was the Didgeridoo, a long wooden wind instrument made from hollowed-out logs. One day, young Madeline was taught to play this mysterious instrument by his grandfather, Yolŋu. As night fell, Grandfather Yolŋu told stories of the past, while Madeline listened intently. He showed him how to breathe rhythmically and blow air into the Didgeridoo, making deep, resonant sounds that echoed through the night. One day, Madeline decided to share his newfound skill with others during a special ceremony deep in the Australian wilderness. As he played his Didgeridoo, the crowd marveled at the powerful sounds reverberating through the air, connecting them all. Together with his fellow Yolŋu musicians, Madeline continued to play the Didgeridoo, each one contributing their unique melodies to create a beautiful symphony that told stories of their history and culture. The music captivated everyone who heard it. As the night went on, the musicians and dancers moved in a graceful rhythm to the hypnotic beat of the Didgeridoo. The fire burned brightly, casting long shadows across the landscape, creating an enchanting atmosphere that brought everyone closer together. As the night came to an end, the musicians and dancers took a moment to appreciate the beauty of their music and the joy it had brought them. They knew that the Didgeridoo was not just an instrument, it was the voice of the earth itself, echoing through time. In the days that followed, Madeline practiced tirelessly, learning new songs and techniques to improve his skills on the Didgeridoo. He knew that he had been given a great gift, and he wanted to honor it by becoming the best musician he could be. As time passed, Madeline grew into an accomplished musician, sharing his music with others and passing on the tradition of the Didgeridoo to the next generation. His melodies continued to resonate throughout the land, connecting people and carrying on the legacy of his ancestors. Years went by, but Madeline's music never faded. It became a part of the fabric of Australia, a testament to the rich history and culture of the Yolŋu people. As the sun rose over the Australian landscape one morning, the Didgeridoo's melody could still be heard, echoing through time like the voice of the earth itself. Today, the tradition of the Didgeridoo continues to thrive in Australia. Young Yolŋu children learn from their elders how to craft and play this unique instrument, keeping the legacy alive for generations to come. Every year, the Yolŋu people come together for a massive celebration to honor the Didgeridoo and its role in their history and culture. The sound of the Didgeridoo fills the air, creating a symphony that tells stories of the past, present, and future. The Didgeridoo is more than just an instrument. It's a symbol of unity, resilience, and the enduring connection between the people and the land. By learning about this incredible musical tradition, we can better understand the rich history and culture of the Yolŋu people and appreciate the beauty of their music that continues to resonate through time.